Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I'm doing a plan with me. This is an adorable layout from Victoria Thatcher. It is an oldie but a goodie, and I pulled this out. It's called, it's called Yoga, and I specifically pulled this out because if you are not aware, this September is the National Yoga Awareness Month. So I thought it'd be really fun to use these again. I haven't used these since I think February 2018, so it's been a while. And I wanted to use them again, so I think they're totally adorable. I think they're so cool. I love the black. I love the bright colors. So far I've just pulled out this washi. I'm not sure what I'm going to use or how it's going to come together. You know how it goes. I just kind of go with the flow and see what happens. So if you would like to plan with me, use that link below to download these free printable stickers. Grab a drink, we're going to play some music, and we're going to get planning. Okay, so as I mentioned, these are the free printable planner stickers by Victoria Thatcher called Yoga, and this is how my stickers turned out. I didn't put them in the cutesy little half-size sheets that I normally do. I just hurry up and print and cut, and I used almost all of the elements that she has provided, and I pulled out one washi so far. We'll see how it goes. And I personally right now am planning for the week of September 16th through the 22nd. And again, these stickers are in honor of National Yoga Awareness Month. So let's get to planning. Here comes the music. Alright guys, so this is it. That was pretty quick and easy, very painless. I ended up not using the washi, as you can see, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoy it. I think it turned out beautiful. I kind of made it look like they were doing somersaults or something, so who knows, but I just thought it was kind of cute and fun. So this is my layout. I am going to add in my customized stickers based on my appointments and activities for next week, so I will show you that after. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you want these stickers, check the link below. Thanks for being here with me, and I will see you in the next video. Please always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you guys.